Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix TikTok accounts not recommended problem. There are a few reasons why your TikTok account might not be recommending your particular account. This is because you have a copyright violation, or because your account looks like it has spam activity. Sometimes, or because you have a violated videos. Now, if you have any violated videos, I advise you not to keep it with you, or you have any copyright video, I advise you not to keep it with you. The first thing you have to do is to go to that particular video, click steadily on it. When you open the video, you click on three dots at the bottom of the video, search for delete, and delete that particular video. If it's a copyright video, don't keep it with you, because it can also stop TikTok from recommending your TikTok account. Now, the next step you can take is for you to go to your browser. So right here on my browser, all I have to do is to type in this. So when you type in this particular link, you just click on it. It's going to take you to this part where you have to type in a topic that you want to really. It's going to take you to this phase where you have to report your problem. Click on the toggle close to select an option. From here, you have to select the particular problem that you're facing. We have account access and security, change date of birth, change account information, report a bug, future request, report a potential violation, report an underage user, creator reward problem. So you just click on report a bug. So when you do that, you also do that for category. Click on report a bug. So from this section, you have to enter the username of your TikTok account. You also have to enter the particular username that you use. You have to enter the username of your TikTok account, the exact username of your TikTok account. You also have to enter the email address that you use for opening this particular TikTok account, and if there is any extra details, you just enter it from this section here. Now here you're going to explain in details what your problem is, like make your appeal. From this section, you're going to write just 50 characters, minimum of 50 characters. So you state that you want your TikTok account to be recommended. That explain yourself very well and make sure it's very minimal. When you do that, you click on upload. If there's any file you want to upload, just click on upload. Then you have to confirm that these statements are true before you submit. You have to ensure to the best of your ability and knowledge that all the information disclosed above is accurate and true. And by submitting, I acknowledge that TikTok will process my data in accordance with privacy policy. So you click on the submit and submit it after confirming to this declaration. So when you are done with this, TikTok is going to give you reply within 24 to 48 hours. The message will be sent to your email, and when it's being sent to your email, they're going to request for your ID card, either your national ID card or any ID card, driver's license, any ID card. You just use the ID card, upload it so that it will use to clarify your problem very well. So when you do that, they're still going to send you a message to confirm that they have clarified your TikTok accounts and it can now be recommended. So guys, I believe with this you'll be able to fix TikTok account not recommended problem. If this was helpful, please do not forget to keep your comment on the comment section and ask any related question to this video. Thanks for watching.